Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Take only what resonates. Bale guys, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Well, unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. So kung hindi ka nakaka-relate sa reading natin, okay lang yan. May mga next readings pa tayo. If you want, pwede ka naman magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Ayan, sa akin, Madam, Space P, as in princess, and then space, lagyan mo ng space sa dulo. Diyan ka pwede mag-inquire for personal reading. May mga admin ako na mag-a-assist sa'yo. Ayan, yung Facebook page namin. Sana i-follow mo rin ako dito ha, kasi dito ako nagpo-post ng ibang content pa na hindi mo makikita dito sa YouTube. Kung hindi mo ma-search yung pinaka-Facebook page, ito ang lagay mo mga hashtag. At sa TikTok shop namin, Unipri, UNIPRI. Ayan, dyan ka pwedeng mag-inquire. Wait lang, magdumi ang aking pinaka-table. Anyway, let's start. Ano ang ating main energy for the sign of Virgo? Sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. You do have your soulmate and you do have your single. Yan. For now, nakikita natin you're just enjoying your pagiging, yung iba you could be single pero yung iba na hindi naman single, pwedeng ine-enjoy mo lang kung ano yung meron ka ngayon sa buhay mo, no? Ine-enjoy mo lang yung status mo. Yung iba, I don't know, I can feel some kind of energy na parang professional or could be a businessman, businesswoman kind of energy. Or maybe you're planning to have a business. Ayan. Tapos, if you are, wait lang, hindi ako mapakali, may nakikita akong buhok You know. Kasi pag kinukuha ko talagang energy ng Virgo, na talagang, yung iba sa inyo talagang gano'n ang, ang kaugalian, parang may pagka-OCD, no? Parang, naaasiwa pagka may mga nakikitang mga kalat or kung hindi man kalat yung talagang pag may something na parang mali, parang hindi pwedeng hindi mo pupunahin or aayusin. So, anyway, this soulmate single is here. So, may nakukuha akong energy dito na pwedeng may dalawang S ka sa name mo, sa pangalan, or yung person mo. The person that you're dealing with. Or this is you na may dalawang S sa pangalan. Happiness is at the bottom of the deck. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng recently ka lang nagkaroon ng separation with a divorce. And for now, you are just being happy. Kasi eventually, mas nabibigay mo na yung love na yon sa sarili mo, no? Or kung anong makakapagpasaya sa'yo, nandun ka na lang, no? And if ever that there's a relationship, pwedeng hindi naman kasi naging maganda rin sa relationship noon. Yung iba, if you're still in a relationship, basta yung iba pwedeng nagbubuhay single. Yun, I don't know. Maybe kasi hindi mo nagiging yung person na kakonect mo is that pwedeng hindi mo nakita sa kanya yung feeling or yung hindi mo na feel na siya yung the one, you know. And yeah, searching divine masculine, happiness. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, you could be dealing with someone online or I feel like some of you, etong person na to, kung wala pa, no, there's someone na pwedeng ma-meet mo online. And this person, pwedeng magbigay siya ng happiness for you. Yung iba naman, pwedeng kakonect na siya online, but nakakaramdam lang ako ng person na parang nahihiya pa siya sa'yo. No? Because you are someone na pwedeng maganda yung status mo sa buhay. Although masyado kang dramatic or masyado kang madramang tao, you are someone na I'm feeling like may masisay pagdating sa money, pagdating sa finances, pagdating sa wealth ng family. I mean, kung hindi man sa'yo, sa family mo. Okay? So, hindi ka basta-basta, ano, mawawalan. Or, yeah, you could be stable. And, yun yung isa sa ikinakahiya ng person na to. Because, this person sees yung kanyang sarili na parang, ang dami ko pang dapat iayos sa sarili ko, na hindi pa ako ganun ka-stable. But on the other hand, ikaw, you are already stable, you are like this, like that. So, isa ito sa parang ikinakahiya ng person nito. Okay, so, yung iba, kung hindi ka nakarelate sa part na yun, it could be vice versa. Kasi nakakaramdam ako ng vice versa energy. It could be you, na pwedeng hindi stable, and then the person that you're dealing with, nahiya ka sa kanya kasi siya stable siya, maganda buhay niya, maganda ang estado ng pamilya niya. So, bahala ka kung paano may lalagay sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Yung iba, this could be a single energy. Drama queen is here, love affair. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung iba nagbubuhay binata, dalaga, even though you are still in a relationship, or maybe if you are in a diverse kind of energy, kung ikaw ay wala na, tapos na, nakapaghiwalay na, pwedeng ganun. You're just enjoying itong pagiging single mo. Pero yung iba, kung hindi ka pa single, nandun yung pagbubuhay single mo for now. Yeah, nightlife is here. And yung iba galit ka, or kaya ka nagiging ganyan na nagbubuhay single, is because hindi mo deserve, pwedeng ganon. You feel like may galit dahil may nag-trigger sa'yo. Alam mo yon, katulad ng isang barel, no? Yung barel may trigger yan eh. Hindi yan puputok kung hindi mo iti-trigger. So, ikaw parang ganun lang din. Hindi mo gagawin yan kung hindi ka tin-trigger, might be ng person na kakonect mo. Okay? May nag-trigger sa'yo. May naging dahilan sa'yo kung bakit ka single. May nag-trigger sa'yo kung bakit dapat maging ganyan ang pananaw or dapat gawin mo sa buhay mo. You know? You just have to be like a rock. Maging bato. Maging cold for now. And you do have here threatened. So, the way I see this, there's a lot of makeup, a lot of hidden things. So yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng marami kang tinatago, marami kang sinisikreto for now. And ayaw mo mang gawin yun, kaya lang may nagtitrigger talaga sa'yo to do that. So, the person that you're dealing with, emotion niya para sa'yo, desire. This person has a lot of desire for you. And so, yung iba, bagong connection lang to. I can see communication, connection, conversation. Yung iba na wala pa, there's a person na pwedeng malapit ng makipag-connect or communicate sa'yo. And then, there's a lot of passion, sexual connection, kind of thing. And you do have your crickets and silence, non-action. I see this as alam mo yung feeling, yung energy na parang online siya, pero it could be more on chat. Kasi wala masyadong communication na usap. You know. Nakaramdam ako ng sobrang pagod, guys. This could be you. Antok, pagod, and you should take care of your health. Kung may mga ginagawa kang hindi maganda sa health mo ngayon, now is the time to stop what you're doing. It's not good, or you will, hindi ka magbe-benefit dito. So, stop yung mga bisyo na yan. Maybe you are doing something na hindi naman sanay yung katawan mo, or hindi kaya ng katawan mo. Yeah. And can you see this? Bigla nagpakita sa akin It's like a woman who is smoking. So if you're smoking, medyo maglaylo ka or ano, as much as possible i-stop. It's not going to benefit you. Punta tayo sa near future. Yung iba nga sa inyo nagre-revenge. There's revenge here. Come together, pretending, and ascension. I mean, it feels like gusto mong manakit or gusto mong maramdaman ng mga taong ito sa paligid mo, or maybe in the past, nasaktan ka, so gusto mo ring manakit ngayon kasi nakaramdam ka na nasaktan ka. Yung iba ang weird kasi ng energy, pwedeng hindi naman siya yung tipo na, hindi naman siya yung taong nanakit sa'yo. Pero gusto mo siyang masaktan kasi in a way, kung sino man yung nanakit sa'yo, parang nakaganti ka or naramdaman mo yung feeling na, ako naman yung nananakit ngayon, parang ganun. And it's weird. Maybe a relationship in the past, maybe your ex in the past, or yung kakonect mo, yung iba could be a twin flame connection, naramdaman mo yung unexplainable push and pull, tapos hindi naging kayo ni twin flame, hindi naging kayo ni soulmate, so now may mga tao kang sinasaktan kasi nasaktan ka noon and you don't want it to happen again. So nandun yung part of you is already liking the feeling or nagugustuhan mo na yung feeling na may why do I feel like napaka-kontrabida ng aking nire-reading ngayon? Pero ganun parang ang sarap sa pakiramdam na may nasasaktan ka. You feel like mahal niya ako, ganun. May nagmamahal sa akin kasi nasasaktan siya. Hindi naman siya masasaktan kung hindi niya ako mahal, and you like the feeling. I mean, I feel like this is your life journey. Hindi mo to mapigilan or hindi mo to ma-stop from happening. Yung iba naman kasi ganito ang energy, no? Maybe you are in a toxic relationship. Kasi hindi naman natin maiwasan, meron talagang ganon. Karmic toxic relationship. It's really hurting you. Kasi may mga bagay na hindi ka na mababalik. And then, yeah. Some of you could be dealing with 2 people in the near future. Kung wala pa, about to, paparating na. If you're single, could be 2 people ang paparating sa buhay mo, and you will have this feeling na push and pull dun sa dalawang taong yan. It's like, okay, push ko tong person to, and then you will pull back from the other person, and then balik na naman. It's like parang ikaw yung ang energy is that possible na yung iba sa inyo makaramdam or maka-experience ng parang pinag-aagawan in the near future. And you like it actually. Hindi ko yun i-deny, na nararamdaman ko yung feeling na gusto mo yun. Kasi maybe in the past, pinagtulakan ka ng hindi man sila but a particular person, tinulak ka, tinaboy ka, or hindi ka pinansin. And then now you're liking the feeling na hindi lang isa ang may gusto sa'yo. And that is in the future. Hindi lahat makaka-connect, guys, kasi alam mo, napakabago ng energy na to. And I don't know why I feel like new, could be a new follower, new subscriber. Kung hindi man dito sa page, pwedeng recently ka lang nag-like ng page namin. And yeah, again, kung hindi ka pa naka-like, Facebook namin, Madam Space P, as in Princess, and then space din sa dulo. Hopefully, mag-follow ka doon para makapag-interact ako sa inyo ng maayos. Kasi mas doon na ako nakakapag-interact. Dito sa YouTube, hindi masyado. Like, pag nag-comment ka, I will just heart the comment sometimes eh. Mas gusto ko doon kasi sa Facebook, nakikita ko yung mga picture ninyo. Natutuwa ako, no? Nakakapag-share kayo doon ng pictures ninyo. Yung iba, good morning, yung simpleng good morning, gato ganyan. I can see. Yung smiles ninyo doon sa inyong mga profile picture. Masaya-masaya na ako doon. Ayan. Sinabi ko lang why. Kasi the more na nakikipag-interact kayo sa akin, the more na nakukuha ko yung energy ninyo, mas magaguide ko kayo ng maayos. No? And I feel at home doon sa nare-reading ko. Ayun. Anyway. Last card for you. What is the advice here? What is the advice? Alam mo, kahit kontrabida ka sa part na ito, I feel like may nagiging rason ka naman kung ba't mo yan ginagawa. Kung ba't mo yan ginawa. Ganun. You do have your grip, anchor, chains, way down, negotiator. This is in the near future. Advice na rin ito sa'yo. Yeah, someone is going to beg ng lilimos ng attention, pagmamahal. This person is going to tell you na I feel like an ex or a past person magmamakaawa para bumalik ka or to bigyan mo na siya ng pagkakataon, chance, or to, I don't know, I mean, in the near future, literal, no? I can see a rose and a rock. So, yung rock nagre-represent yan na parang bato. In the near future, pwedeng ikaw ay maging bato. And then the rose is like, you are so beautiful, you're pretty. Marami ang ma-attract sa'yo. But you have thorns. Meron kang tinik na parang hindi ka basta-basta pwedeng humawak sa akin. Hindi ka basta-basta makakalapit or hindi mo ko basta-basta makukuha. Because I have my thorns. Meron na akong tinik. And yeah, you can look but you cannot touch. Pwedeng ganun. And pagdating sa person mo in the near future, I can see the feeling of I can sense na ikaw ito na parang hindi ka na para magpalin lang, magpagamit, etc. The more na mag-hold on itong person na to sa connection, I feel like the more na masasaktan siya. Kasi sabi ko nga, you're both the rock and the rose. Diba? You are someone na parang katulad ng isang bato. Pag di mo binitawan, mabigat yan eh. Mabigat. The more na hahawakan, like katulad ng rose, doon yung tinik, nakatusok. Yung, sabi ko kanina, this is an advice. Pero actually, this is an advice rather, hindi sa kanya, hindi sa'yo, but rather dun sa person na ayaw kang bitawan or hindi ka bibitawan. Kasi nakita ko dito na kailangan niya mag-let go, kailangan niyang bitawan or tanggapin yung katotohanan sa inyong dalawa. No? Maraming memories na na involved dito. Kaya hindi ma-let go, but you do have your denial at the bottom of the deck. Pero kasi dun more on negative na yung naaalala or nakikita. So regarding the memories, mas nalamangan na kasi ng negativity yung positive memories dito. So I feel like it's time to let go. It's time to accept the truth sa connection. So if you're a cross watcher, that is a message for you. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.